In this video, I wanted to show you about the code presentations feature inside the Snappify. I can create my own snippets from the dashboard, or I can select from templates. By clicking on the templates, I can use the pre-existing templates. So for example, I'm just selecting any of the templates like code tech comparison. Here you can see the demo. I will just click on try it out, and there is the feature. And now here you can see that it just loaded. I can customize it however I want, which I have already presented in the previous video. In this one, I wanted to mention the presentation feature. So just click on here. You can see that we have this play from start, play from the current slide, and presenter view. So if I do play from start, and now here you can see that it just started. I can just use my keyboard up and down or left and right keys to do any of these slide change. So you can notice that the slide is changing. You can customize these existing templates and make the presentations in the technical and perform a technical presentation in front of the large audience, or however you want. This icon will help you to duplicate this. You can also use click copy and paste by using command C and V. Then it also runs at that. You can always use the copy paste shortcut keys as well. You just have, for deleting a slide, you just have to click on the delete icon, and it will delete any of the icons. And here you go, you have all the presentations set up. You are ready to go. You can customize it. You can customize any of these colors, the shape colors, and any things that you want. So the best part is that you don't have to spend a lot of time to creating these designs. These designs are already available inside Snappify. You just have to click and try it out. So this will help you to save a lot of time. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next one.